Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So Spice now hold back nothing. She did talk her talk, and all of who get shot in the crossfires, she not really care. But Spice had a lot to say, and Spice threw shade at Dovey Magnum and called Angel a hypocrite, and also talked about why she loved Pampute and why she will not be working with female artists anymore. So let's get into the clips.
Them now have nothing for them get up and have something to say about me. Me and them now have nothing. I could have in my bed, I'm in trouble them. And when them say something about me, as me answer a problem. Because when me answer, I go utter. So it always have to be a problem. Me and them not have nothing. Them just get up and eat for me for what, for no reason. My man make me make that talent here. My band with me a DJ for me. I was 13.
No.
And I like someone who make the talent. So even like, put it on Rebel, because everything shot. Even like dancing Rebel. Remember say she used to work with a female artist where they did boo the time. So remember say they used to work with a female artist where they did boo. That's Rebel used to do it. That's Rebel did it when she get the boo.
Yeah, really.
Remember me and the girl that friend me and her come from Portmore, me and her not have nothing. And remember say she just get up one day and start tell life for me and start sing song about me because people are telling her if she call me name, me I go answer and she go get hotter. Female artists, that style they done for. Yeah. Them some they done with. Me not depend that, me not depend where you depend. Calling my name, me not answer. Me not see Beyonce, I call nobody name, I not see nobody I call name, and Beyonce answer. Me not doing it, I grab me I work for. So who know what everything on the head, say if you not come for me, me have an answer, and I go bump.
So as you can hear in that clip, you can hear Spice saying that she and the girl was friend, and she come out of nowhere and start cuss her up on social media. She don't do nothing to the girl. And if you guys don't know, Dovey and Spice come from the same place, and Nuffy was the one that was managing Dovey Magnum, and she went on social media and tried to blast Spice and say how Spice awake fear Gucci, and she went on stage and talk about how Marian Hall, Lady Saw, is the queen of dancehall and she is the only queen she knew, and how Marian Hall took the crown to church and threw shade at Spice essentially, and that's who Spice was talking about in this clip. Okay, so comment what your thoughts are and comment who you think she was talking about, if she was actually talking about Dovey Magnum, because all signs lead to Dovey Magnum. Okay, big up to Dovey Magnum, said we. Do your thing, girl.
Me already, me go all about in a life. Somebody asked about female dancehall artists. Me not think about the female dancehall artists, them, you know, because them too bad mind. The female artists, them bad mind. So I don't really think about them. I mean, I do no more song with no female artists neither because you know bad mind. And somehow no ungrateful. Yeah. And everybody want to be on top, and everybody want to be the best and the biggest and the that. I want to feel like, you know, so the man them do it. Why the woman them can't always come together? It's always a competition. You know, do it all the while. You know, compare this, you know, drag down this, you know, tear down this. You know, like one of a woman. Cause them bad mind. And them full of too much personality. And me always have to talk the truth. What's the question? US ready for the dance of them? The dance of them ready for US long time. Long time.
Next.
You ask if I do no collaboration with Pampute.
Yes, the Pampute, let me explain something to you. Pampute is my sister. I love Pampute for my art. And the reason why I love Pampute for my art, she not bad mind like some of the female them in the business. Because it no matter who up or down, Pampute is never the one where give me no face. I go on like say, she vexed over my success. So I love Pampute because you can't get the genuine. Let me explain something to you. Sometimes I say I come like read a woman. Because I can't look on you and see the hypocrite by your face. I can't see the hypocrite. Like none of them, I do them nothing. Yet, what go on, you see them? Like answer me up in them teeth, up in them throat wall. Pampute and my sister, I love her bad.
I love you, sister. My sister, I love you.
So I would definitely do a song with Pampute. Angel could have stayed.
Jesus.
Only don't ask me a question if you don't want me answer. Because everything me answer, regular kick me and thump me and push me. One answer, or answer.
YouTube, one more from YouTube. Have you ever gave vice class?
Hold on, let me answer the people them question. Because every time me answer the question, Rebel a pinch me and she a kick me. You understand? I know what? Answer the people them because remember the era end, so I want to get up the things them off of my chest.
Oh, so that's why I swallow the truth.
Yeah, I have to talk the truth because my fans them this, so I have to explain certain things to them. I have to make them get a chance to get to know me better. Sometimes when you not see me do all a song with the female artists, it always be a problem. Because even sometimes you even shoot the video, the one you want look better, them want the better scene, them want this, them want that, them complicated, them full of problem, them egotistical. And that's why I'm telling you, me would definitely do a song with Pampute, but I'm not going to do it with everybody because everybody have good clean heart. Angel, now the reason why I say Angel could have stayed, Angel is a girl where she called on my phone. She want the collaboration and everything. Remember when you know say nothing never go on for Angel and I like when you know that and not Rebel, why you kick me for? Why you Rebel kick me every minute for?
No ask her no more question more. No ask her no more about it.
But in a lie me I tell not never that go on for Angel until me give Angel the song no worries. Angel used to call on my phone day in day and night. I couldn't sleep on my yard. And you know what I say? Me I go do the song with her. I do the song no worries when I say it and it gear something. So anything we go on for Angel right now, I me make it a go on for her. I not ask you. I tell you. Not never that go on for Angel. You understand? Me do no worries and everything and song come out and after that, the girl called up my phone. Angel, remember used to lift on my phone and call me down. Morning, noon, and night. Mama, you can't do the song. You can't do the song. Me in my sleep. I sleep. Hello, it's guys. Remember the song. Alright, me call her back when I wake up. Remember you call me on my bed? When you get the song, you know remember Spice. You know call me. This Yamaga one, you know. Go on fear Instagram. Go talk about how she want strong like Angel fashion. Remember, you know, people always a Clark Angel. Don't touch me, Rebel, let me talk. We have touch me for. The little girl, go on her Instagram. Remember, say she own big woman, I mean, have her phone, I mean, I live a Rebel yard. She go on her Instagram and say, you know, I want strong like Angel fashion. And the reason why she says so, she said no matter what people say about Angel, she believes that Angel believes in her thing and she now watch no face and she strongly believes in her fashion. So don't care if she put on the umbrella and she put on this and the people them clout her. She don't care. So that's why she said she want strong like it. She want strongly believe in herself like Angel fashion. So in other words, she said Angel believe in her thing and she not give a frig when nobody want to say. You understand? The girl do her thing and she got you and she believe in her fashion. Alright. Angel must feel a way about it or the stylist feel a way. Them no clad she no. And say Rebel man and Rebel this and Rebel man I know. And me. Angel and the stylist. No, here one now. The stylist say Spice. Remember me not say nothing, you know. Spice and her dancer them cranny. And Spice. Remember me not say nothing, you know. I want to understand where me I come from. Because I know I'm going to take things and roll this and put it on and want put it. Me not say nothing. Here, Rebel make her comment. Them turn around for me. Here, Angel, she like a hypocrite underneath the stylist pose. You know, hear myself it done. When the stylist are done me, you know. You know, hear myself it done. You know, hear myself it stop it. She no call my phone like how she used to call down my phone and she did want the collaboration, you know. She... Don't take for joke. You know, me not answer no more question. Me not answer no more question. She no call my phone as a big woman. Like when you used to call down my phone when you want the collaboration. And say, Mama, I want to go on or whatever the case be. You are your stylist to play hypocrite and gone from blood clot Instagram and I go talk about my body. Or Spice fix her body. Remember my body can't fix, but your reputation can't fix, Angel. So thank God you could have fixed my body. So you're under the girl post to play hypocrite and I come talk about behave yourself. And the girl decide that you're your stylist. Remember say if she do something on me decide, I'm gonna say no Rebel, not do that, take that down or whatever. I'm gonna call Angel. Just like how Pampute did have something. And Pampute called me and say, Mama, me and Rebel have something. I'm gonna say, what go on? And she say, you know, say me and Rebel this and that and that. And I call Rebel. And I say, Rebel, remember me and Pampute are friend. What go on? That's a real friend. That's why I say I love Pampote. And that's why I say that's a real friend. But someone a pussy. I don't go like when to do people things, people don't talk about it. But me as a girl, me can't play hypocrite. And that's why I'm not found on a like because it's not a walkover. I mean, I make no walkover. I mean, I play no hypocrite to do no. So Angel is a hypocrite. I'm going to ask you. Next question.
So in this clip, you hear Spice talking about the Angel being a hypocrite and why she loved Pampote, because Pampote a really girl. Pampote call her and tell her that she and Rebel have some things going on and them squash it. But the Angel was a hypocrite because Rebel said something about her and she took it as Spice saying something about her. And in the entertainment fraternity, they love to throw shade. And it's not only female, it's also the male too. They have this thing about them where they rather throw shade than to actually link you up in a real life. Like you a phone call or talk to you or email you or message you like real people do. They rather go on social media and throw shade. So I understand exactly why Spice is saying what she's saying and where she's coming from. But honestly, in 2019, I want the female dancehall artists to collaborate more. I want them to put out more music. I want them to be more consistent. I just want the female artists to be as well known and pushed out there as the male dancehall artists are. And in order for that to work, they're going to have to work together. That's just my opinion. And Spice, when you talk about you not do no more collaboration with any female artist, you're the queen. Do that. Lead by example. Okay, you know me love you, you know me big you up all the time, but when you're wrong, and I have to tell you that you're wrong in this instant. If you want the woman them to be more successful and you want them to be put out there like that, you have to lead by example. Even if them backbite you and do all sort of craziness after, you can say you were the bigger person and you helped X, Y, and Z, and you're the queen, and we want to see you lead by example. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think Spice is right for saying that she's not working with any more female artists? Because I feel like Spice have been through a lot with female artists and she feel like she's been used and abused, and that's why she's saying it. But do you think she needs to lead by example since she's the queen of dancehall and push some female artists out there and collaborate with them? And what do you think about her calling the Angel a hypocrite? Story come to bump. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.